Do you like waffles, Joe?
Yeah, I like waffles.
So why'd you order pancakes?
Because I also like pancakes.
That's weird though.
Why is that weird?
If you like waffles, you should get waffles.
Well, maybe next time, huh?
What if there is no next time?
Oh no! Am I in danger?
I'm just saying, Joe.
There will most likely be a next time.
You should be living in a world where you're settling for your second option.
What is this? A therapy session? Huh?
You deserve waffles. In a world where everyone is settling for pancakes, you deserve waffles.